So I bought a sonic screwdriver the other day, the realest deal you can find, because it lights up and has springing action and makes sounds, and it's just awesome. It's so cool, like really cool. I'm gonna use it for my Amy Pond costume for Halloween and for life. It's springing action, lights up, and makes sounds. And it has a secret function too, a little button down here. Well, it made that noise already, but when you have it out like that, go like that. And apparently, if you push this twice and then leave it down the third time, there's like a hidden noise. Sonic, you are drunk. I don't know, I've never heard it make that noise before. You probably did at some occasion, and I'm forgetting about it. But yeah, I've never heard that noise before, so that's pretty cool. I kind of want to walk down the streets of Boston and just like any passerby I happen to pass by, just sort of whip this out and just be like, not say anything, just scan them. Make lots of new friends that way, and new enemies. Ooh, Doctor, you sonicked her.